Hi, my name is Nicholas, and my team and I created MarketMind. And our vision is to revolutionize the marketing space through simulating genuine human interaction. Now, I know that sounds a little scary, but let's dive a little deeper. Our inspiration for this is that the number one place for businesses to market themselves is through social media, where over 94% of businesses use these social platforms to market themselves to consumers. That's why businesses spend over $600 billion on this industry, because it's a really great way for businesses to introduce content or any new marketing tactics to be able to market themselves to consumers in a more relatable manner. But while it is the number one way for businesses to market themselves, it's also the number one place where businesses can also go wrong when relating to consumers. For example, when a new marketing campaign is released, it opens up the door for a lot of controversy, which can either make or break a business in the social standpoint. For example, a company like Red Lobster can receive a lot of backlash due to a marketing campaign and basically go bankrupt because of one campaign. Because of this, it makes it really important that businesses know how the users are going to react. And that's why we created MarketMind. Because of this, we created a way for us to simulate how human perception evolves over time when a marketing campaign is released. This is so that we can kind of simulate how a marketing campaign will do in the market rather than release it and receive backlash as a result. So how this would work is that we upload our perspective media, like a podcast, an article, or anything of that sort. Then we cycle through AI agent personas that interact with each other to kind of simulate how human perception evolves over time. So similar to how when we talk to each other, we're kind of polarized into an A or B perspective, even if our original perspective was completely neutral. So instead, we use these AI agent personas that have their own backgrounds, like age, interest, and anything of that sort, and we make them generate their own opinions and have them interact with other AI agents to simulate kind of a group consensus over time. So we cycle through multiple iterations of these personas interacting with each other in real time that updates with the analytics dashboard on the right here. And then we generate key analytics that we can see, how will this actually do on the market? And what's the overall sentiment that these AI agents are actually generating? So this is a really great way to kind of introduce a whole new environment of simulating how people would interact in real time through creating this in multi-agent environments online using AI. So now let's dive into more technical breakdown.
This is the demo for MarketMind. So we'll start by first uploading and describing our media. So in this example, we'll be uploading an image, a controversial advertisement that was racially insensitive. And here we'll describe it as here is our new line of skin care products. And we will then start our agent. This is a fetch.ai agent that essentially takes care of our input and creates different user personas based on what it thinks our target audience is. So we see that it has successfully received it and it's created several different personas. And what's going to happen is each of these personas is going to receive the media that we gave it and give their opinions on it. And during each cycle, we will combine those opinions into a general summary as well as an overall sentiment score for positivity. We do this by using Gemini's API to generate all these different responses and create these personas. To populate what you see on your screen right now, we put all the information that we have, we get all of our output information and send it over to a single store database, which allows us to display things in real time. So as our agent is running, it is creating these responses and populating what you see on the screen. As we move on, you'll notice that we move into the next cycle, right? A key idea of MarketMind is that we use information from the previous cycle and user opinions and responses, and we use it as a supplemental information in the next cycle to simulate the communication of humans with each other. And as you saw, this communication caused the positivity score to go down from 25 to 0. Likely because of the communication about the racial insensitivity of the media that we uploaded. You can see in this third cycle happens. We also include areas of improvement, where for each cycle we suggest to the business what areas they can improve, as well as the key personas that we're using to generate all these responses.